Item number 1.
आपके जर्नल्स है. Yes, you see, there's a slight problem. My brother has informed me that I think he cannot sit in these matters.
Yes, sir.
I think we will pass orders in the Amsterdam side, because something very worrying things are there which has developed, because they feel that with a certain judge who has left this court, that they can now take the things in their own hands and indulge in all kind of activities. Like we'll repeat what we said last time, that we are still resolute, and then in fact, orders might come, might be very damaging for the state. Yes. Yes.
Item number 1.
Who the appeal is it? Mr. Ariso?
My Lord, this regarding the
What does matter about?
query for Umrah Airport expansion, and perhaps the learned district judge Nompo has submitted the report. Once the report has come, we pray that the copy may be provided to us so that if necessary we
This
may
is,
get out to
this
respond.
is, one second, inquiry report along with, sorry, just pardon me, as directed by court's order. Or report has come is in a sealed envelope. Reports regarding?
My Lord,
Query, my Lord.
What
there was-
inquiry?
Inquiry relating to the, my Lord, the who entitled for the compensation and whether the public fund is, my Lord,
this
my Lord, the
I
taken
have
away
sat
by
in this
somebody.
matter, I think, before, no.
These are two issues referred by the Supreme Court.
Or just Dindo was there.
The last occasion I said for
this pertains to the land acquisition exchange of 32 acres for expansion of the.
there was a report before also, isn't it?
Yes, there was a.
What happened to that report?
No, that was report that did not quantify. The inquiry officer did not quantify as to how much actually was supposed to be and how much was paid. That quantification was not there. Therefore, it was sent back again to conduct a fresh inquiry, my Lord.
Okay. No, just I think the bench that sat before was with Justice Dindo, correct?
Yes, except the last
Yes,
occasion.
before. Yes,
It
Justice
doesn't
Dindo.
matter. It
Yes.
doesn't matter. You open the report. Let's see. No matter, you be there.
I have to let you necessary help also.
The last was said with Justice Raja, His Lordship.
This is the last order, right?
Last order.
But then before that,
Before that, Justice, yes.
this inquiry is on the basis of an apex court order, isn't it?
My Lord, yes.
Now this inquiry was basically ordered in order to find out what was to be.
There were some allegations that public money has been siphoned by paying more than what actually the value should have been, my Lord. That was to find out.
Two issues are framed.
What were the two issues?
Two issues are framed. Number one is who is entitled for compensation. Number two is whether public money has been squandered.
Let's see whether the terms of reference are here or not in the report. Oh, you appeared before the. Okay, whether public money has been squandered by offering higher rate of compensation, which was against the rate offered by the owner and the rate at which he purchased just for acquisition, and who is entitled compensation. Okay. Right now, I don't think we will make the report available to the councils. We'll just we'll list it again, and before that, we just go through it.
Yes.
Right. Just take down. As in terms of order dated 6/9/2023, a report by the District and Sessions Judge, Ripoy District, Nongpo, has been filed, have been submitted in a sealed envelope. So the same is open here today. Stop. Next by councils, appeal for the parties, pray that they be allowed copies of the same. Stop. Next paragraph. License matter on so and so, whereby necessary orders will be passed on the next date. Yes. We'll list it after 2 weeks, I think. That's it. Copy of the report is taken and made part of the record. Report dated. 18/10/2023. Bộ biên phận envelope sir.
Item number 2.
Yes, Mr. Denmark. What has happened? Is SLP still pending? Yes. What has happened to the matter of the Supreme Court?
My Lord, Supreme Court SLP is still pending, my Lord, and this Honorable Court has disposed of the similar matter, and which order is under consideration, my Lord?
No. The last order you kindly see, Order 28/9/2023. Since the parties submit especially petitions referred to the previous order of August 30th, 2020 has still not been disposed of, let the matter stand for further 6 weeks. The parties have liberty to mention for an early listing if the matter will be put this.
SLP is still pending, my Lord.
Okay, it is report. Okay, yes.
First week of December, my Lord.
It is reported by the counsels for the parties that the SLP before the Supreme Court is yet to be disposed and is likely to be listed on the first week of December. Yes. Accordingly, this is matter after 6 weeks.
My Lord.
To await any outcome. Yes.
Item number 3.
One second. Let the file come. Yes.
Now that for the petitioners in item number 3.
Yes.
Now, Lords, by way of the affidavit filed by the state, Lords, the state also constituted a technical committee to examine the functioning of the central bonded warehouse, Lords. Lords, there has been no communication from the state after that, Lords.
Lordship, if I may just take a Lordship.
What affidavit?
Lordship, if I may just take a Lordship to
Lords, the
the
affidavit dated 19 September filed by the state of Meghalaya, Lords.
Okay.
Lordship, if I may just take your Lordship to the order of 3/10/2023.
Yes. Yes.
3/10, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, as per the order, we had filed an affidavit and the order is recorded in para 2 that we had notified a committee,
Yes.
Lordship, and this was observed in the order, and after that the Honorable Court observed, since the petitioners seek an accommodation, lest the matters appear 6 weeks hence, it will be open to the petitioner and also the central bonded warehouse to deal with the state's affidavit. Such affidavit, if any, should be served and filed at least a week before the adjourned date.
Yes.
So, Lordship, para 2 said we have formed a committee and it was open for the petitioner and for the
Parties.
My Lord, for arguments, my Lord, at any convenient date, Lord.
So,
No, but do you have anything to
today's
say
fix only,
about
today's
this?
fix only for any affidavits regarding the formation of the committee.
My Lord, that is not correct. My Lord, kindly seize the state's affidavit, my Lord. That is filed on.
No, I've read out the order of 3/10, Your Lordship. This was the last order.
What affidavit?
The state had filed an affidavit dated 19 September.
19th September.
19th
Okay.
September.
The last affidavit.
Para 2 of that affidavit was quoted on 3/10/2000. Let me finish.
Yes.
Lordship, kindly seize para 2 of the affidavit, sir. Now, here what happened, my Lord? The issue which are,
To ensure that no brands are treated differentially.
my Lord, to ensure that no brands are treated differentially, the state has agreed to fix a margin of profit and to arrive at a reasonable percentage. The state has by notification number so and so dated 15th September constituted a technical committee to examine the extent of fixing a reasonable commission profit margin at manufacturer CBW level.
What's CBW?
Central bonded warehouse.
All brands within the existing structure in the state, the committee has been directed to submit its report within 6 weeks from the date of this notification. That 6 weeks expired in the month of October, my Lord.
Where's the report?
The report,
Lordship, that is the second part. Lordship, the instruction that I have received, the committee has submitted the report to the government. So that is, so far that is concerned, we are under consideration by the government.
No. Report means the report is it been accepted or what has happened to the
No,
report?
that is the stage is this. The committee was.
They should have made a submission that at this technical committee constituted, the report is still to be.
First part, Your Lordship, was this whether they have any objection. Now, Lordship, without complying with 310/2023 order, if they have any objection to the constitution, if they have any objection to the report, otherwise they'll come back again saying that they were never consulted.
My lord, we have not been made aware of the report. We have an objection to the entire affidavit, my lord. We are opposing any fixing of margin for the manufacturer.
Then one thing, see, listen, please, Mr. Krishna, anyway, you see what para 2 says that, the state has right notification so and so. You have objections to the Constitutional Technical Committee.
Absolutely.
You have objections.
Well, we don't have any objection.
Then they should have.
Then who has objections? You do. You have objections?
And liberty was given.
You have
objection, then you put it on affidavit.
Absolutely. 310 order says.
There's no question of just beating around the bush, Yes. Argue what finally?
Absolutely, the state.
When the order street.
Because the affidavit filed by the state does not address any of the concerns in the petition that we filed. It merely tries to bypass all the objections that we have raised. It does not address even one.
No, there's not a question of you not being heard. The only thing is this is sort of an interim measure which has been put in place by the state that says that some technical committee is constituted. And this court, by the last order, it said that if you have any objections to this technical committee, to put your objections in by affidavit. If you don't have the objections, that means that the report be generated and we'll hear the whole matter.
Absolutely not.
In fact, my lord, I'm in the next matter, my lord, item 4, which is connected.
Yes.
Several orders have been passed, my lord, since this is a new bench. There are several orders which previously have been passed by this honorable court.
Series of orders, yes.
Series of orders. So I do not know whether my friend, learned friend in item 3, he's being led by a senior. Is he seeking for time or he wants to argue the matter?
Absolutely.
If he wants for time, let him seek for. Let's have it next week.
You're seeking adjournment to file an affidavit. You're seeking adjournment to hear the matter.
No, let's overcome the direction of 310.
It has to be clear, my lord. If we want to continue with the hearing, I'm ready, my lord. There's a series of orders, my lord. I can.
Direction for the technical committee to give its recommendation. That has not come yet.
No. Listen. Don't beat on the push, please. What this court is saying that, and we understand submissions made by all of you, is that as per the last order, para 2 in the affidavit has stated that they're constituting a technical committee to look into this. Whether you have the objection to the technical committee or not, if you don't, we record it and then let the report be generated.
Absolutely.
And that'll be part of the matter which we take up when we hear that whole matter.
Absolutely correct. Lordship is correct.
What do you say?
Let him take some time, obtain instructions. We'll have it next week.
You obtain instructions, yes.
They have not filed an affidavit. That will mean that they do not have an objection.
Lordship, today was only fixed for any affidavit on record.
No, if they have not filed any affidavit, means they have no objection.
Absolutely. That can be observed, Lordship.
Yes.
Let him obtain instructions, my lord. Because
otherwise, they'll come and raise the same issue.
The companies, my lord. Just give them 1 week, my lord.
My lord,
I'm the bonded warehouse, my lord.
Just to put the things in perspective, my lord.
They have not come.
Yes, please. Yes, Dr. Mozik, you have to say.
My lord, here what happened, my lord, in the course of hearing over several dates, my lord, this honorable court observed, my lord, here is a challenge to constitution of central bonded warehouse in the state of Meghalaya, my lord, of which we are the licensee, my lord. Now, initial challenge was that a monopoly has been created in favor of a private entity. This honorable court, in the course of hearing, was clear view that this kind of monopoly may be permissible. This honorable court wanted to examine how the prices are fixed, my lord. So, from the affidavit, it transpired, my lord, that at every level the prices are fixed by the government itself, my lord.
Okay.
At what rate the bonded will sell to retailers, my lord, at what rate retailers will sell to consumers. The only portion which is not fixed by the state was at what rate the manufacturers of liquor, my lord, they'll sell it to central bonded warehouse, my lord. This honorable court was of the view that remains a grey area there and state should make an endeavor to fix that margin also.
The technical committee is
for that purpose, my lord. State is, I can just complete, please.
Committee has been formed to examine the operation.
Can I just complete, please?
Please let him complete, yes. We were not understanding your submissions. Yes, Dr. Mozik is saying.
So, my lord, that was the only grey area, my lord. This honorable court directed the state to address that aspect so that central bonded warehouse is not does not create any kind of monopoly to the prejudice of the manufacturers, my lord. So the state has been directed, the state has constituted a committee to examine how much should be the margin for the central bonded warehouse, my lord. Now the state has to come with that, my lord, before this honorable court, how much margin they are fixing, my lord.
So that the report be generated, then when will you come up with instructions?
If I may just add.
Where the matters be heard finally, that report, whatever report you have generated, that will be taken into consideration also.
The Lordship, so far the report is concerned, why opportunity was given for affidavit by the petitioner and bonded warehouse was that if they give input, even their whole query was what should be the margin of profit. So even if they can give an input, maximum
before the technical committee have you,
Lordship, yes,
that's also the scope.
in form of an affidavit. That was an opportunity. Otherwise, Your Lordship, Your Lordship, the technical committee will take care of it. But since the matter was sub judice, if at all there was some input, if not, they would challenge the constitution of committee. They will challenge the fixation of rate. I'm talking about the petitioner. So that was the only situation that
they should come out with fixation of the central bonded margin.
Come out of those meetings. So, Lord, my humble submission is my Lord can have at a date where we can finally argue the matter. If the state had to file a report of technical committee, it had a whole month to do it, Lord. The affidavit was filed on 15 September. The notification on 15 September.
You don't seem to understand the purport of this order dated 3rd/10. You have it before you. The order dated 3/10. Yeah, you read the last paragraph.
He's not read, maybe.
Read the last paragraph. The petition wants to deal with the state.
No, you please read it word for word.
Well, since the petitioner seek an accommodation, then the matters appear 6 weeks hence. It will be open to the petitioner and also the central bonded warehouse to deal with the state's affidavit. Such affidavit, if any, should be served and filed at least a week before the adjournment.
Yes. Then where's the affidavits? I heard the other parties.
Making a submission on God, Lord, that we oppose the state affidavit in entirety, Lord. Lord may hear it at a date convenient to the court and the party, Lord.
Yes, take down. By order dated 3/10/2023, this court had allowed the petitioners to file objections, if any, to the affidavit filed by the state respondent, particularly to the contents of para 2, wherein a notification had been referred to with regard to the constitution of technical committee to examine the extent of reasonable commission of profit margin. Stop. Next paragraph. No affidavit report coming from any of the petitioners and also or from the central bonded warehouse. Stop. Mr. K. Khan, letter AAG with so and so submits that the technical committee has since submitted a report
to the
state respondents, which is still under examination. So this is matter after 3 weeks on so and so for further orders. Thanks. Thought I have to take this break for medication, you know. You drop even 5 minutes after 5 minutes, that's a problem. Yes.
Any mention?
May it please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 40, Your Lordship. I
What?
pray 40, Your Lordship. 40, Your Lordship. I pray that the matter may come up after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Joint request, Lordship.
Joint request, Your Lordship. The parties.
40 is?
Token Rabha.
Token Rabha.
Okay. 2 weeks, yes.
Highly obliged.
Lord, I'm praying for listing of one matter tomorrow for motion, my Lord.
Regarding?
Lord, this is for cancellation of contract which was awarded, my Lord. Hydropower project, my Lord. Hydropower project, my Lord.
What's the urgency?
Lord, my contract which was initially given to me, that was cancelled. Then a new contract, the government have proposed to float a new tender, my Lord.
Against NIPCO?
No, state government, my Lord.
Okay, thank you.
Obliged.
May it please, Your Lordship,
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 48.
Krin Kharbani?
Krin Kharbani.
On whose behalf?
For the respondent number 4.
You have any objection? You have objection?
No objection.
2 weeks on request of the respondent. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 28.
$2020 matter, why?
Your Lordship, counsel is on sanction leave.
Who,
He was
Mr.
not
Qureshi?
paid. Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, 2 weeks as conducting counsel sanction leave.
Your
Yes.
Lordship, and similar prayer for item number 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, and 37.
32, 33, Mr. Mahanta,
Yes.
what remains in this case? Nothing.
Those appeal illegal
Yes,
construction.
but regarding, does it have any connection with the new policy that the defense ministry is adopting?
This is with regard to the illegal construction only, but with the lease association, that might happen. Anyhow, he is unwell.
2 weeks, yes.
4 weeks, no?
32 to 37.
Your Lordship, 4 weeks here.
No, 2 weeks.
Ayo.
Yes.
Obliged.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 45. Your Lordship, this is a Nakma matter. Your Lordship, the
Where's the petitioner? Yes.
Your Lordship, the respondent number 4 has deceased. So we don't
Number 4, you're appearing for number 4.
3 and 4, Your Lordship.
So are they aware of that?
Lordship, on the last occasion, the respondents were supposed to bring instructions, Lordship, as to who has substituted
You
the
don't know who's
Your Lordship,
stepping to the shoes.
we have to obtain clear instructions.
You find out also?
Lordship.
Yes, just write down Mr. Lasang here. On behalf of respondent 3 and 4, Lasang lawyer, on behalf of respondent number
3 and 4.
Entry submits that the respondent number 4 has since deceased. He prays that we are allowed to obtain instructions as who would be the successor in interest. According to this matter of the 3 weeks. Yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg item number 43, Your Lordship.
Item?
43. Let the matter be taken up after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
No objection.
No objection, Your Lordship.
2 weeks, yes.
Obliged.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? Item number 29 of the hearing list.
29.
29 of the hearing list. I sought permission of senior advocate.
As per permission, senior advocate.
Senior counsel, I've
Consent or permission? you say?
consent.
Yes. 1 week.
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks.
Yes, Your Lordship.
This week, your court will not really take up hearing because of slight this problem. Otherwise, from next week, I think everything should be all right. Yes.
Much appreciated.
May I please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item 31.
Item?
31. That is, I pray that this matter may be taken up after 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
After 3 days?
3 weeks.
This matter, I don't think we'll. You do it. What's your name? You're Mr.
Ilalu.
You're Mr. Ilalu, correct?
Yes.
You can take up this matter, I think. Where's your senior?
He's having some personal
Yes,
difficulties.
regarding that contempt regarding it is against a policeman, correct?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, Your Lordship.
That the Basu judgment.
Judgment, yes, Lordship.
Now, is Mr. Day ready to argue this matter next week?
On the last occasion, Your Lordship, is as per the order, he said that he will take instruction from the petitioner.
Whether to pursue or not?
Yes.
Are you pursuing the matter?
We are yet to complete the instruction, Your Lordship.
How will you complete? So just to ask you to pursue the matter.
No, Your
How long
Lordship,
will you take
because
to
we could not
complete?
contact the petitioners, so
Yes.
because we could not contact the petitioners, Your
That means
Lordship.
he's not interested anymore.
No, Your Lordship.
Then how do you say no?
Because of the phone number, Your Lordship. That's why we have tried to call many times, but it's not working.
We can't make a matter. You 2015 matter just linger like this.
I pray
Or
some
just
time.
on asking for time by the councils. You take down MS Indraji on behalf of the petitioner submits that they have not been able to obtain instructions as to whether the petitioner is interested in pursuing the case. Stop. Final opportunity of 2 weeks is granted.
2 weeks, Your
to
Lordship.
obtain 2 weeks to obtain instructions, feeling which the matter shall stand closed. Yes.
Much
Lordship, similar prayers for item number 32.
Number?
38.
Where's Mr. Chakravarti?
He's here only in the town, but he's having.
Where is he?
He's in Shillong only, Your Lordship.
He's relaxing after his operation. Okay. Yes, Mr. No objection. 2 weeks, yes. But he recovered fully, correct?
It's not fully recovered.
Not fully recovered. Okay. Yes.
Highly applied.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 42.
Hold this on 32.
42. 42. Lordship, I'm afraid that this matter may come after 3 weeks.
What's the matter about?
It's a NIPCO matter. It's about
NIPCO matter, of course. What is his concern? What does the workers want?
We are challenging the downsizings of the number of employees from 3,000 to 1,000.
Very good. 2 weeks on the request of the council of the petitioner.
Your Lordship, if this matter could come on the first week of December, Your Lordship.
Why?
It's as per the instruction of my senior, Your Lordship.
Now after 2 weeks will be when? Now we are on the
On the today's 15, Your Lordship.
we're 15th. So after 2 weeks we 20. Okay, let's also first week December. Yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship, we should beg to mention item 41. This concerns the pensioners of GHDC, Your Lordship. As per the last order, we are required to furnish the details of the amount. Lordship, we require some time, Lordship.
You're for the respondent.
For the district council.
You're not even paying your judicial officers regularly. How will you function?
Lordship, that is.
We have reports now when notices are going that even process servers not being paid, so the notice is not going.
Lordship. Lordship, we are here to tabulate.
Do you have a separate account for judicial head for payment of the district council judges and staff?
Lordship, to that I don't have.
You get instruction. Though it's not related to this matter, but it's a very serious matter. It is affecting the whole justice
concerns the
dispensation
pensioners,
system.
but we can provide its.
Yes, Mr. Shilla.
Lordship, they have to give instruction to this court as to the number of pensioners and the amount that I pay, Lordship.
That also you cannot get. How many pensioners are there?
Lordship, we are yet to receive.
You don't know how much money you pay them also.
Lordship, per month, including the pensioners and staff, we are paying almost 6 to 7 crores per month.
6 to 7 crores a month.
Lordship.
That's too much dead wood. I think you have to weed out your staff. Otherwise, okay. Mr. M. Nopure prays him allowed further 1 week's time to obtain the instructions with regard to the number of pensioners and the
amount required
and the financial what and the amount
required for payment of
required yes to be paid to the said pensioners. Yes, just after 2 weeks.
May I please, Your Lordship, item number 39.
And Your Lordship, my senior is unable to come, Your Honor.
Who's your senior?
Mr. Lindo.
What happened, Mr. Lindo? He's totally absent from court.
No, Your Honor, he has went to going to hospital. You know, he have some infection sinus.
His own problem. At least of 2 weeks as the conducting counsel to be indisposed. Yes. Follow to this.
I'd like to mention item number 47, Your Lordship.
Not ended as it mentioned. On behalf of
Petitioner,
petitioner.
Your Lordship, yes.
It's a joint request, Your Lordship.
Joint request. So joint request, you can make it outside and no need to appear in court then. Okay, 2 weeks on request of the counsel of the parties. Yes. One out.
Supplementary list, item number 1.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, this is a non-release of salary, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, here the petitioner has been serving as an assistant teacher, Your Lordship, in Matrimangal Girl UP School, Your Lordship. He joined the school on 31st 12 in 1998, Your Lordship. And in the year 2010, he undergone a teacher induction training program, Your Lordship, at Satsala Block. And the respondent number 3, Your Lordship, in 2017, published a final list of the teacher information management system, Your Lordship, for the Satsala Block, which is an extra 10A page.
So why is not been paid salary? What's the reason given?
That's the reason, Your Lordship.
How do you know what's the reason?
We don't know, Your
Since when
Lordship.
you not been paid a salary?
Since January, Your Lordship.
You've been working since 1998?
Yes, Your Lordship.
There's no impugn order. They have not said anything.
No,
No,
Your Lordship.
committee.
No, Your
Why are you not paying your salary?
No, Your Lordship, I
You must be knowing.
I have no idea, Your Lordship. After my salary has been stopped, I sent a representation.
You're
Your
going
Lordship.
to work every day. You have no idea they stop your salaries from January.
No, Your Lordship.
You're still working now also.
Yes, Your Lordship, he's still working. I
Have you made
submitted
the
two
managing committee party?
representation, Your Lordship, but nothing.
Have you made the managing committee party?
Yes, Your Lordship. Respondent number 5, Your Lordship.
Yes, sir. Mr. Dean Yotala Council, please issue notice. Mr. Khan is present. Then he is present on behalf of the state respondents 1 to 4. Such no further notice required upon them. Petitioner takes step for serve notice on respondent number 5 by registered AD within 3 days. This is after 3 weeks.
All right.
For instruction stroke affidavit. Yes.
Item number 2.
Yes.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, the petitioner is the legally married wife of the deceased employee, Lordship.
She's the
legally wife of the deceased employee.
Legally?
Wife of the deceased employee. Now the petitioner's husband was working as a handyman since from 1990 US, and his name also is forwarded for regularization. And one similar situated person already been regularized on the earlier occasion. The Lordship has also passed the order dated 10/8/2022. But the petitioner, before he was regularized from service, he expired on the 9/6/2023. Lordship. That's why this is the
appearing for the state.
That's what, Your Lordship. I am not aware who's appearing.
No one for the state.
This is the PWD.
PWD is a part of the state.
Lordship.
My Lord, we will take instruction, my Lord.
Yes, sir. Heard Mr. P.D. Sama issue notice. Ms. R. Kohli
1 to 3.
present on behalf of the state respondents 1, 2, and 3 and accept notice. No further notice. Mr. K. Khambo Frank present number 4. So no further notice is required just after 3 weeks for instruction stroke affidavit. Yes.
Right. Much press, Lordship.
Item number 3.
What is this, Mr. Salman?
Please, my Lord, this is the matter pertaining to regularization by service, my Lord.
Yes.
In fact, this is the second round of litigation. And in the earlier round, your Lordship has passed a directing the respondents to expedite my matter.
What is that order?
My Lord, that's at
expedite which matter?
To regularize my service, my Lord. That's at page 54, my Lord, Annex 23.
Page?
54. at para 3, my lord.
Learned GA submits that at the bar that the petition has been approved regularization.
My lord.
Not yet regularized now.
My lord, here what is happening is that
he was regularized or not?
must have been regularized.
He's been regularized?
Yes.
Now what happened?
But only prospectively, my lord. What we are before lordship is we want to extend a benefit retrospectively from the year 2007, from the first list issued by the government.
Yes.
After seek instruction.
I've heard Mr. C.C. Sangwa issue notice. Mr. E. Movement is present on behalf of all the respondents. Except no so far no further is required. Just after 3 weeks for instructions or affidavit. Yes.
4. Similar matter.
Yes.
Item 3 and 4, similar matters.
2, 3 and 4? Or 3 and 4 similar order?
Similar matter.
And Syncon appearing for the state. Number 4 and Syncon. Yes.
5.
We agree, Lordship.
1 second. Yes.
This is a transfer matter and petitioner is presently serving in 34 Assam in Jammu and Kashmir. He has been transferred to Manipur Minor and he has submitted the representation for last leg posting minor. As he will be retired as superannuation in the year 2026 minor. That representation is page number 14 minor, the next year 1 minor.
Last leg posting?
Yes, madam.
How did you determine last leg? How many years is last leg? 3 years?
2 years and 7 months has been left, my lord, for completion of 60 years age, my lord.
Where's Dr. Mazika?
Your lordship is on legs.
And that representation has been rejected, simply rejected, my lord, without any reason. Even my representation has been strongly recommended by the higher authority, my lord.
So where do you want to be posted as last leg?
Anyway, my lord, we have mentioned the 4 locations in my last leg posting page number 14, my lord. Delhi, Sukhoi, Lota and Ghaspani, my lord. Page number 14, my lord, the next 1.
Now where's the guideline you say referring to?
And
last leg posting.
Number 22 next 8, my lord.
Last leg posting. Where's that?
Last leg posting specifically is not mentioned in the that guideline, my lord, but there is a provision of the representation, my lord. Kindly see page number 24, my lord.
Yes.
24, para number 16, my lord.
Call Dr. Mazika, we'll take it after some time. You take it after some time.
Main list, item number 1.
Last date was indicated that I'll file affidavit. In fact, we don't want to do that.
No, Mr. Kinta, why? Because sometimes you are available, you understand? So your objections to maintainability,
I'm unable to
connect. Yes. So any objections to maintainability, where this court decide that we come on affidavit. So even if we are absent or even your jurors present, we can deal with the matter on maintainability, then we can get on with the matter because it's been listed repeatedly for admission hearing and it's not gone anywhere.
Today we are ready, Your Lordship, orally to submit on based on the records.
Lordship, I'm praying for some accommodation for today.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I'm praying for some accommodation for today.
As you put them in point form and submit it to the court. What was your question, your objection?
The person concerned, Mr. Nerius, is not from that particular clan. According to us, he is not a person aggrieved. There is a decision of the Apex Court in 1976 where it says about this BC interlopers or person aggrieved should have come forward. But the writ petitioner is not a person aggrieved. He cannot be said to to be a member of that particular clan.
We'll have it next week.
What's your
for
plan?
the adjournment. Yes, MSE Wanyang, the council petitioner, at the outset seeks some accommodation due to personal difficulty of her senior staff. As this matter has been pending admission for a considerable period of time, listed after 1 week is understood the next date, no further adjournment will be sought. Yes.
Item number 3.
Your Lordship, I'm praying for some time in this matter.
Why?
Your Lordship, Mr. Thapa is handling this matter and he's having some rituals, Your Lordship, this morning.
There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 lawyers listed on behalf of the petitioner.
Your Lordship, Mr. Thapa is personally handling this.
Yes, Mr. Hassan.
Yes, my lord. They are only for instruction from their side. Last occasion.
Yes, sir.
After
due to absence of the
2 weeks, man.
Arguing counsel, Mr. Tapal this matter. After 1 week, yes.
Highly obliged.
Obliged.
Item number 4.
Please, Lordship. Here I am challenging against the order of the CEM, while CEM has condoning the delay of without any reasonable ground. There is a delay of 5,475 days. It is about 15 years. And in their affidavit, in the application where GHDC have filed, claim that they have filed the conditions of delay. If we go by the prayer of that application where they have placed before the CEM, not even a whisper, even entire petition of their pleading, they have not even stated, even there is no even prayer to condone the delay. And as for the provision, the section 5 of the Limitation Act is very clear. They have to specifically mention the each and every date, the delay and the cause. Here it is not only the delay, Your Lordship. I will establish before this court that there is a gross negligence and deliberate willful negligence to this cause. Because since from 2007, they have come after 15 years gap in the year of 2022, after gap of 15 years. And even after coming, there is order even from the High Court on the earlier occasion to file a separate application for continuous delay. Even that also they have not complied. And secondly, my lord, even while filing they claim that they have filed the application. In the application, as I have stated before, where they have filed the application together along with the appeal and the condition of delay. In that application, not even a sentence in the entire petition. They have not stated anything.
There is no submission.
There is no submission with regards to the continuation of delay. They have not even mentioned how many dates. They have not mentioned how many dates and what is the reason.
No reasons have been given for the delay.
Absolutely, it is nothing was there. Their only prayer is, in fact, Your Lordship, they assure in the prayer that if I may read just the prayer portion of their application filed by the judge.
One second. See, why don't you do one thing? Now you see this impugn order, that's next year 8, correct?
Lordship.
Yes. Now the CM, I think,
yes,
para 7 has noted this point that you're submitting, that there no application condition delay.
They have it.
We'll do one thing. Let them file a proper application, then consider it. It's already condoned, it's also discretionary power exercised by the CM. We will not actually court, appellate court will not interfere. But the thing is that the manner in which has been condoned, I think.
Let them file a fresh application before the same court. Then
were you given opportunity to contest this application?
They were.
You were there. You were present.
They were there.
You pointed this out.
We have pointed out, Lordship, we have argued also in that it seems that they have objected to this.
In spite of normal High Court order direction, this order so the counsel for the appellants have chosen to file this appeal petition only and no application condition delay. Appeal petition should not be necessary if we file the petition for recalling order so. However, the counsel see the whole thing is wrong. The thing is that a opportunity was allowed by this court for you to file a condemnation application to consider recall of this order dated 12 March 2010.
Yes.
Correct. It's not appealing. It's not an appeal also. So what should be filed is that a condemnation and then a petition for recall of the order. But what you've done, it seems, is you filed an appeal.
You've clubbed in together, my lord. Lordship, it was clubbed together, my lord.
At least some predictability in procedure should be there. Other side should be.
I agree, my lord. Let them file a fresh, otherwise. Fresh application.
Thank you very much, yes, for the suggestion.
No, Lordship, even they have willfully they have violated. They have not willfully, my lord. See, there is a clear direction in the year of 2009 from this honorable court. And they have
19,
choose
not 9.
Lordship 19. I'm sorry. Even they have choose not to file the application.
Mr. Day, we'll send it back.
Lordship.
Let them file a proper application for condemnation and for recall of the order.
Yes, my lord, I agree to it, my lord.
And then
my
let them.
Friend who is harping into the issue, similar situated cases where my lord has remanded it back, saying that the condemnation delay application should be filed. On that, my lord, he has taken a ground that these are all villages. They doesn't understand, and now he is arguing against of it.
Doesn't matter.
That is a case-to-case basis, my lord. That may be.
He's right. He's a counsel. He's doing justice.
You cannot take my plea. What I have plea in the other case, which is not relevant.
We'll pass orders in chamber. We'll pass orders then.
Lordship.
We'll dispose it off. Yes.
Hello, my lord.
Item number 5.
Lordship, this is that matter pertaining to transfer of the GDMOs.
Yes. What instructions do you have, Ms.
Your Lordship, we've already filed an affidavit in the subsequent matter, which is the contempt case number 28 of 2023.
Where is that? Is this today?
Lordship, item number 7, Lordship.
Item number 7.
Item number 6 also is connected, Lordship.
So where do we stand now?
Lordship.
What do you see in the affidavit? What do you see in the affidavit?
Your Lordship, will be more appropriate, Your Lordship, if learned DSG is here, Your Lordship.
But he's not here.
Your Lordship, in fact, a hearing is going on in courtroom number 3, Your Lordships.
What do they say in the affidavit, Mr. Chanda?
My lords, they are saying that they had various difficulties, my lords. Para 4 of the affidavit, Lordship, if I may read, Lordship, that the defendant states that the said transfer policy was issued. There was the DSG of various CAPS approached the Ministry of Home Affairs as.
What do you mean by issued? There was serious the DSG of.
I think typographical error, my lord. As the forces were.
It was not checked by you all before filing the affidavit.
Lordship, in fact, Sir had finalized it and it had come from Delhi.
I think there's typographical error, Lordship. Lordship, we may be allowed to reply to this to the affidavit, Lordship, filed by them.
Will this affidavit answer the main the other writ petition also?
I don't think so, my lord, because here we are saying that.
Your Lordship, I pray if this matter may be called up after some time.
Okay.
Item number 8.
Yes.
These are those two cantonment matters where the STR is under challenge. And
these matters all have to be left hanging.
Yes.
What to do
pending with the
matter?
central government also.
But I believe last time, I think who had made a submission that Shillong be excluded from this exercise.
Because I've sought instructions that so far at the moment it's only a rumor. There is no material to substantiate that.
So what should we do then?
There is no official communication with that regard.
No official communication, not there.
Then what you listed after 6 weeks?
Lordship.
Parties submit that the proceedings for the consideration for exclusion of the civil areas from the Shillong Cantonment Board has still not. There has been parties submit that the consideration for exclusion of civil areas from Shillong Cantonment Board is under progress till date. They appear matter listed after 6 weeks to avoid any outcome.
Only one drawback here. Of course, I have not come with the application, Your Lordship. There are about 22 of them, they have already paid the enhanced rate. So their lease we could not process for renewal due to the stay order. Therefore, I think I might, if 6 weeks, then in within I have to come.
Oh, you're at liberty filing.
Yes, that stays on the STR and the demand notices.
No, due to that we could not process.
Yes,
So those who voluntarily paid, they can always process it.
Yes, sir.
Since the council is also agreeing, if that can be.
So I'll take instructions. Who are these 22 members? I'm not aware of it.
Yes, just after 6 weeks. Yes.
Obliged.
Obliged. 8, 9. 8 and 9.
Order for the next item.
10.
Lord, this is a contempt petition, my lord.
Yes.
Here, my lord, the contemptor in the.
Have you filed a rejoinder?
My lord, I have not filed.
Why?
I'll be filing it, my lord, because the contemptor in the recent past, my lord, she has been engaged in publishing distorted information in the newspaper, my lord, and that is certainly amounting to interference with the judicial process. My lord, I will bring it all this in record. I'll file my rejoinder, my lord. 2 weeks time, my lord.
So your criminal contempt will be drawn up if we say they're interfering in the administration of justice.
My lord, I'll just bring it on record, whatever is there.
Yes.
Your Lordship, the last order is that they'll be filing the reply to our affidavit.
Yes.
Anyway, Ms. N. submits that due to certain developments, the rejoinder affidavit cannot be filed in time. He pays for not further
2 weeks.
2 weeks time to file this rejoinder affidavit list after 2 weeks and so and so. You file it.
Yes, madam.
11.
Obliged.
Petitioner is yet to file the rejoinder affidavit, Lordship.
I'm praying 2 weeks time, Lordship, to file rejoinder to the affidavit filed by the state respondents and other private respondents. Lordship.
Yes.
To the affidavit, Lordship, filed by the state respondents and private
What about
respondents.
you filed?
You filed, Your Lordship.
7 to 10, 13, 14.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What about 12?
They have been served, Lordship, but.
Okay, Mr. S. Chanda plays for allowed further 2 weeks time to file rejoinder. Just thereafter and so and so.
12.
Rejoinder affidavit, the affidavit filed rejoinder to the affidavit filed by the respondents.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Respondent 4. In fact, Your Lordship, we've just received a communication yesterday from the department, Your Lordship.
The matter has been resolved.
Praying for some time, Your Lordship, for filing of the affidavit, Your Lordship.
What is supposed to be resolved, right?
Yes, Lordship. In fact, they have been asking for time, seeking time, Your Lordship, since the month of April.
Then we'll hear it. You receive fresh instructions.
Your Lordship, some communication as well.
What communication is this? Only to ask for time.
Your Lordship.
It's like a written adjournment application.
Your Lordship,
MS from Thao, yes?
There's a similar matter as well, Your Lordship. WPC 444 of 2022,
Yes.
where the ministry has to pay the outstanding bills.
My lord,
listed today.
My lord,
It's listed for
same
Friday,
issue,
Your Lordship.
same parties. I have also reflected in my affidavit at page 5, my lord, para 9. I have a state affidavit, my lord. There also, my lord, MORTH are the respondent who are to make the payment.
What is this road construction?
My lord, this is regarding bridge, my lord.
Okay, sorry. Bridge construction. Any MS from Thao submits instructions. Praise is allowed for a 2 weeks time to activate this thereafter and so on. Yeah.
13.
Your Lordship, I pray for 2 weeks time to file my rejoinder.
How many times you prayed?
This will be my, as for respondent 4, this will be my second time, Your Lordship. I'll be filing it together.
Prayed for the 2 weeks time allowed to file the joint affidavit. Yes.
14. 14.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Rejoinder will file?
No, Your Lordship, I humbly pray 2 weeks time, Your Lordship, to file rejoinder affidavit.
As prayed for the 2 weeks time granted to the petition to file rejoinder affidavit. Yes.
15. 15.
Connected.
Similar prayer the petitioner.
16.
Yes, Mr. Sen.
Well, the petitioner had filed an additional affidavit to bring on record a document which they believe is a recommendation. Kindly see, we have taken instructions. The managing committee of the school has the autonomy to make the appointment, and following the appointment, they make a recommendation to the state government for approval of that particular appointment. In this particular case, we've examined the records. There is no letter from the managing committee recommending the appointment of the petitioner till today. And Maloj, this is evidence from a letter in the petition which they've enclosed.
We have make a party to the even to the private respondent, the managing committee. The managing committee have duly received our petition and they have choose not to appear before this court. They have not choose not to appear before this court.
So what can we do?
So, Lordship, that direction may be given to the managing committee to issue the letter in my favor.
So Manoj, may I also point out there are 3 issues. One is that there were certain anomalies with the entire selection process, which Lordships have noticed that
that anomalies, your Lordship,
sheet was not signed by all the panel members. That is one. Even if we overcome that, the next point is there is no formal recommendation from the managing committee seeking approval of the appointment. The third is that this letter which has been enclosed, which was not within our files, is the select list. If we can term it as a select list,
Annexure 3.
The validity is only for 1 year. Well, this is in the additional affidavit filed. Yes, page 7, Annexure 3.
Yeah.
So, the interview is conducted on the 1st of December 21. Ordinarily, the validity is only for a year.
Whatever. Now, why is the management committee, if they are in your favor, why they have not come to your aid?
Not sure. So, this decision has to be taken by the MC.
The issue is supposed to be addressed by the managing committee.
Yes, they have chosen not to appear.
But they are not appearing because their appearance have been already propagated on the last order because we have served the copy, they have duly received.
Who's number 5?
Number 5, Lordship, is
she is the candidate who appears at serial number 2.
Wife of the respondent number 4.
So she's occupying the post now?
No, no appointment has been made.
To this, regarding the respondent number 5, my lord, in the annexure 5, they have already explained that issue has already covered in the annexure 5, if page 25. If they file a complaint, annexure 5. This is what my lordship.
No, sir. When was number 4 served?
Lordship, yes, sir.
When was it served?
As for the affidavit, it was received on 8/07/2023. On the same date, even the respondent number 5 also received on 8/7/2023. In my affidavit of service, I have mentioned this is the letter from the post office, Lordship. Affidavit of service Annexure
Because if
1.
you don't appear, you have no case, Mr. Samar. Whether there's any selection done at all, also the court is not in a position.
No, selection, there not. There is a
Someone
direction.
can generate a merit list. The first one that you had annexed by the petitioner, there was no signatures in the score sheet. Now, subsequently, you find another one where the signatures have appeared in the score sheet.
No, earlier round of litigation. This is a second round of
You have it
litigation.
on affidavit whether there was any valid selection and whether you were the candidate who came first. Other things will follow. You do one thing, you take steps by personal service on the managing committee. If you don't appear, then
Well, it's the second one is actually not a score sheet, it's only a select list.
Whatever it is.
Lordship.
Yes, take note, take down.
Yeah, mention the score sheet also. The mark is given.
Mr. SN. Referring to the additional affidavit filed by the petitioner, has submitted that the question of selection of an assistant teacher in any school lies with the managing committee, who then have to recommend the said selection and to seek approval from the competent authority. It is further submitted that in the instant case, the additional affidavit does not contain any recommendation, nor is there any letter, such letter in the records of the state respondents. Stop. Next paragraph. In this view of the matter, it is difficult for the court to adjudicate. In this view, it's difficult for the court to adjudicate the matter in totality as to the entitlement of the petitioner to the appointment as claimed. This is compounded by the fact that the managing committee, which is the appointing authority, though having been chosen not to enter a parent's till date. Stop. Next paragraph. For the ends of justice, the petitioner is directed to take fresh steps by serving the by serving notice upon the respondent of 5 personally. Have you made the secretary managing committee as a party?
Lordship, this headmaster comes secretary. He's the managing committee secretary.
Yes, personally within 1 week. Bagmara.
Lordship, it would be respondent number 4.
Respondent number
5 is the private respondent.
Sorry, respondent number 4 within 1 week from today.
Lordship.
So, just a matter after 3 weeks of further orders.
Lordship. Much blessed, Lordship.
17.
Lordship, we are filing an affidavit today, Your Lordship. It is ready.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent number 6, 7 and 8. Your Lordship, I require just a bit more time, Your Lordship, to file my counter affidavit.
Who are you? 6, 7, 8.
Private respondent, Your Lordship.
What's the matter about, Mr. Roy?
Your Lordship, we are also the members of the society, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, this is a registered society.
They have challenged the
approval
the
of
new
the
elected committee.
You are the
Your
new
Lordship.
committee.
Yes.
The file affidavit is MST Yangi, the EAG with so and so submits that the affidavit be filed in the course of the MSPS Nongri for 6 to 8. However, has paid for further time. Sublists the matter after 2 weeks for affidavit by the respondent 6 to 8. Yes.
18.
I filed my rejoinder, so pleadings are complete.
Also for the petitioner. Party submit the pleadings are complete. Upon this matter for hearing in due course. In usual courses.
19.
Ready?
May I
File.
please- No, not yet, Your Lordship. Lordship, in regarding 19 and 20, Your Lordship, we have received incomplete parawise comments, so we need some more further time to.
Yes, Ms. Soma. Yet MS, as far as he submits that due to incomplete instructions, the affidavit is going to be filed in time. She prays for her further 2 weeks to complete instructions and to file affidavits. List on so and so.
20. 20. 20.
19 and 20, can you take it?
Same.
21.
Actually, we are filing our affidavit today.
Rejoinder?
Yeah.
You're supposed to file this one, yes.
Yes,
Actually, we fixed the matter in the first week of December.
You're Mr.
For hearing. I'm K. Ahmed. K. Ahmed.
K. Ahmed. The counsel for the petition, Mr. Rejoinder has been filed in the course of the day.
We'll file it during the course of the day.
File in the course of the day. Only is a matter for hearing.
Yes, first
in
week
the
of
first
December.
week December. Yes.
22.
Your Lordship, I pray for further 2 weeks' time to file
Why?
an affidavit. I need.
How many times you prayed, Mr.
This is the
Sisam?
second time, Your Lordship. I'm for respondent number 5.
What about number 6?
Also pray for another 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
1 to 4? No affidavit.
Lordship,
You are Bitarian?
I'm from petitioner.
Is it interim order?
This is a status quo order, I think, Your Lordship.
Yes, MS Sino Cloud 1 to 4. Vice Mr. Vijikanta. Mr. Roy Kapas Syndrome for number 5. And MS Bitarian for number 6. Pray for not further 2 weeks' time to file affidavits. This thereafter and so on. So. Interim order shall continue. Interim, if any, shall continue the next day. Yes.
23.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, we have received instructions, Lordship. I pray for 2 weeks' time to file the affidavit.
Your Lordship, on the last occasion, we have filed the affidavit of service, Your Lordship.
File?
Affidavit of
On
service.
respondent number 5.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes. An affidavit of service has been filed indicating that the respondent number 5 has been served on
26 September 2023.
on 26 September
Yes, Your Lordship.
year
according-
2023. So service is complete.
Yes, Your Lordship.
As such, service is complete. Stop. MSNG Sheila Singh advocate never prays for submits that acknowledgement received and prays he be allowed 2 weeks further time to file affidavits. So this is matter after 2 weeks for affidavit by the state respondents and for appearance of respondent number 5. Yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
May it please, Your Lordship. I'm appearing on behalf of respondent 4 to 17. I'm praying for further 2 weeks' time to file my counter affidavit.
How many times you've
The
asked?
draft is ready. Just that the parties are having some personal difficulties
Yes.
to come and give in a signature.
No objection. 1 to 3. Only file MS E1 and PS1 allowed further for respondents 4 to 7 PS1 allowed further 1 week's time to file affidavit.
Right.
Yes, after and so on. So.
25.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I apologize. I haven't filed the recast petition, so kindly grant me for the time.
Why you not correct the cost title?
Yes, Lordship.
Last time you said that.
Yes, because the managing committee has not been appeared till yet. The reason is why I've not mentioned the secretary name in the managing committee.
Not that. Last time you said that Lercon prays that he be allowed to issue fresh notice and to correct the cost title, indicate appropriate person to whom you corrected the cost title.
No, Your Lordship.
Why?
I apologize, Lordship. I haven't filed that.
By order dated 30/10/2023, Mr. Khanongbak had sought leave of the court to issue fresh notice and to correct the cause title to indicate the appropriate person to whom notice was to be served. So, today he submits that due to inadvertence, the same could not be completed. he prays for about 1 week's further time to complete the same.
Hello, I'm for the
Just
state
thereafter.
respondent.
Yes?
State respondent 1, 2, 3, 4.
File the affidavit, not yet.
No, last
Doesn't
time.
matter, let him correct it first.
Yes,
26,
You
Your
file
Lordship will
affidavit?
file the affidavit.
What's the affidavit say, Mr. Marpan?
Affidavit, they have submitted that which I have agreed also. It's reflected in the previous order, Your Lordship, from 89 to till 99. Oh, from 99, from 99 till 21. That money has already been paid. Now, what is remaining is 84 to 31st of October 99.
So what about that amount? Have you
Your Lordship,
indicated that in the
in that
affidavit?
respect, I would like to take you to page number 24.
Of the affidavit?
Paragraph number 3, Your Lordship.
What does it say?
In this regard, it may be stated that as per terms and conditions of his permanent absorption, the state government wiped its letter so-and-so dated 4/3/1998 in response to Institute's letter so-and-so dated 24/10/1997 has already agreed to discharge the pensionary benefits like pro rata pension, DCRG up to the date of his absorption, that is till 1/11 of 1999. So this is on the part of the state respondents, Your Lordship. Now, whatever dues had to be cleared from the Nigrim side has already been done so, Your Lordship.
To the Supreme Court of State.
I'm there, Your Lordship.
What do you say?
So far as this is concerned, Your Lordship, whatever you have
Have you filed affidavit?
paid to him, Your Lordship.
Have you filed affidavit?
No, Your Lordship.
You file affidavit then we'll decide the matter, whether who's liable to pay the...
Because 84 till 99 I have not received. Now the dues that have been cleared to me are from 99 till 21.
That's only when you were with Nigrin.
Yes, when I was permanently absorbed. Now there were conditions where I was given when I was being sent for deputation.
Let them file an affidavit. Yes,
maybe allow
file on behalf of the respondents number 1, 4 and 5, indicating that whatever dues to which they were liable to pay for have been satisfied, which is for the period 1/11/99 till
30th 09 of 2022.
till 30/09/2022.
21.
Stop. MS Umrah House submits that the period in the remaining period in question, that is from 1984.
The exact date is 2nd January 1984.
1984 to 1/11 to
31st October
1999. October 1999 is the state, that is respondents number 2 and 3 are liable for the same. Stop. Next paragraph. Mr. N.D. Shulailan AG prays that on this aspect he may be allowed to file an affidavit to clarify the matter. Accordingly, this is a matter for 3 weeks for necessary affidavit.
That's yours.
27.
Mandal, I'm here to file my affidavit. 1 to 4.
Mr. Kharwapla, file.
Lordship, we have received instruction, Your Lordship. Perhaps by the next date, Your Lordship, our affidavit will be on board.
Yes, Mr. R. Gurung 1 to 4, Mr. Kharwapla for 5, 3, 4, not further 3 weeks time to file affidavit. Yes, that after.
Much obliged.
Second call, supplementary list item number 5.
Please,
Yes.
Your Lordship, learned DSGI is still on legs, Your Lordship. In fact, hearing is going on in courtroom number 3. Oh, 3, Your Lordship.
Today is Wednesday.
Your Lordship.
When is he due to move? Any movement orders have been issued? This is matter day after tomorrow. This is day after tomorrow when the motion column is. Yes. Yeah, the DSGI is not available in the moment. This is matter and the motion column on Friday is
17.
17, yes.
Second call, main list, item number 5.
Yes, you were saying, Mr. Sanda?
My lord, insofar as the contempt case is concerned, we'll file a reply, my lord, to the affidavit. And
What about the main cases?
they have not filed anything, my
We
lord.
have not received the parawise comment in that matter, Your Lordship.
So item number, we take it separately, then item number 5. MSS Rumthau, Vice Dr. N. Mozika, DSG, raised that further time be allowed as instructions that to be received. Stop next paraphrase accordingly. Lists this matter after 2 weeks. For affidavit. Interim orders passed earlier. Oh, no need.
No,
It's only coming for the orders, yes.
Okay.
Yes. And next one?
6.
The contempt is?
6 is 6 and 7 is also
connected.
Connected, like both contempt matters.
In 7, I am appearing, lordship.
No, 7 is a contempt matter.
Contempt, lordship.
The I number 7. 5 and 6 are same. The contempt matter, an affidavit has been filed on behalf of the.
Actually, if I may correct, item number 6 also is contempt. On similar issue filed by.
Affidavit filed there also.
Your Lordship, not in this matter.
Then take out
in
6
item-
first. Why in this other contempt you file and this other not? It was on the same issue, correct?
On the same issue.
Then?
Your Lordship, may it come up after 2 weeks again, Your Lordship. I'll just have instructions on that.
They're together, item number 6 and 7. File only in 6.
In 7, Your Lordship.
Contempt petition number 28, lordship, of 23.
28 of 2020.
Let's separately wait. MSS Rumthau, response allowed for the 2 weeks time to list to file affidavit. List the matter together with the earlier petition. That's number 329. The earlier one just now? 329, yes. Number 7. An affidavit has been filed by the respondents, to which Mr. S. Chanda prays without to file a rejoinder. Yes, list this matter after. So list together with so and so.
Hearing. Item 30.
May please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, Mr. K.P. Bhattacharjee is on his legs, Your Lordship.
Where's the petitioner?
I think Mr. Subir Sen also is on his legs, Your Lordship.
This was matter after 1 week, yes. This matter, though, the matter of Partha, the Arvind Council is not being available presently. This is a matter of the 1 week, yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
Forty-four.
May please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, Mr. K.P. Bhattacharjee, who is for the private respondent 4 and 5, he is on legs, Your Lordship.
You ready?
No, Lordship, I am.
No. The per council of the party is not after 2 weeks, yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
46.
I am waiting for the petitioner.
Yes.
The petitioner's father was serving as a secretary in the EU office, my lord, who died in harness. So thereafter she submitted an application for compulsory appointment under the central government scheme for compulsory appointment. But her application was rejected. Being immediate, she filed a petition before this honorable court, and this honorable court, after hearing the matter, directed that her application should be reconsidered within 2 months. But after several months of several sittings, it was again rejected by her.
On what ground?
The main ground for rejection.
Yes?
Page 46. Page 46.
Of?
Writ petition. Annexure 9.
Paragraph 3.
You have already an earning member in your family.
Yes, that was it is not so, my lord. Then in their affidavit, my lord, they have submitted the report of the screening committee on this point, my lord. Please come to page 39 of their affidavit. Page 39 of their affidavit.
1 second.
This is a report of the screening committee, my lord.
1 second.
Which is annexed as witness 6 in their affidavit.
Page 30?
36, Your Lordship.
Yeah, 39 is the notice.
36, Your Lordship.
Where does it say? Where? Where? Which part of this letter?
Paragraph, page 39, paragraph 8, my lord.
39.
Where? You're reading page 37 or what is it? 39 the notice?
Yes, Your Honor.
No, 37 is the letter, and the screening report is enclosed therewith, and I read it from page number 39 of that letter. Screening report, my lord.
37.
At annexure 6.
It's 37, Your Lordship.
37, Your Lordship. Paragraph 8.
Your senior's confused.
Yes, maybe paging is Your Lordship.
Yes, just read it.
As for the welfare officer's report, the attestor Sri Deepak Kumar Joshi, after marriage, has left the family and has no connection with the family. The welfare officer's report also stated that the other son, that is Sri Kishan Joshi, is employed as field assistant in the Special Navy Government of India, but does not support the family financially. The report further stated that the mother of late Sri Kedarnath Joshi is also dependent. And then paragraph 10. Paragraph 10 of the same page, the welfare also reported that the only source of income is the family pension and that the family has no immovable property. The welfare officer further reported the financial condition of the family is very bad with hand to mouth in existence. So the main ground that there is a earning member of the family is wrong, my lord, because it is clearly report found that both the sons, although they are employed, but they have no relation with the family. They are living their own family separate.
Yes, what happened, Mr. Kampana? Why not?
Lordship, we have written to the headquarters. But then the headquarters from there, they proceeded to this particular point to give appointment to this petitioner. What has happened is their point also, their contention is also that if one of the earning member is there in the family, so because the scheme also says like that. The schemes, Lordship, if you come to at page 23 of my affidavit, it's very clear, Your Lordship, there. We have to see only in deserving cases. Page 23, Lordship, that para 11, where there is an earning member. Shall I read to Lordship?
Yes. Even where? Sorry. In deserving cases, even where there is already an earning member in the family.
May be considered.
Yes.
May be considered, but then, Your Lordship, if you read that the next page also, Your Lordship, here, that we have to scrutinize and see all the liabilities and all the earning member or of the earning members, the assets and liabilities also, Your Lordship.
The same thing. This the report of the welfare officer covers all this because they see it says that will satisfy himself the grant compassionate appointment is justified having regard to number of dependents. Now they also depend on some other assets, liabilities. Assets, they have no immovable assets left by the government servant. Income of the earning member as also liabilities include the fact that the earning member is residing with family of the government servant, and whether it should not be a source of support. Now whether it's a source of support or not, now that's an independent report done by the Security Committee. It says he's not a source of support.
That is true, Your Lordship. That is
an
true.
issue that you
But then see, Your Lordship, there are two sons. The disease employed
but we're going by your report only, Mr. Karmaklam.
Yes, it is my report, Your Lordship. But then now even the petitioner, the mothers also who's receiving a pension, she's receiving a pension, monthly pension of 20,000 plus, Your Lordship.
Where does it say that?
No, it does not say, but I have the thing, Your Lordship. The pension payment order.
Then you file that. Take down. Take down. In the instant matter, wherein the claim of the petitioner is for compassionate appointment. Stop. Pursuant to the orders of this court, the eligibility of the writ petition was considered, and this report was dated when? And
it's 31st March 2018, Lordship.
And a report.
Oh no, this is a proceeding, Lordship, with effect from 1st April 2017 to 31st March 2018.
Yes, and a report containing the proceedings of the screening committee to consider upon compassionate ground has been filed by the respondents and annexed Annexure 6 to the writ petition. Stop. Next paragraph. It's interesting to note that at para 8 and para 10 thereof, para 8, para 10 and concluding para 14 thereof, the committee has recommended that the petitioner, who is a daughter of the deceased employee, be considered for compassionate appointment to the post of clerk against the existing vacancy. Stop. However, in spite of this set recommendation, the writ petitioner having not been afforded any employment, has approached this court by the incident writ petition. Stop. Next, Mr. K. Karmaklam, legal counsel for this respondent submits that, notwithstanding the report and also the scheme, compassionate appointment scheme in question, which makes allowance for grant of compassionate ground even when there's an earning member subject to certain conditions. The fact that the mother of the petitioner is availing of
monthly pension, the amount of rupees 20,800 something.
20,000, over 20,000 has not been brought on record. Stop. This fact being important for the education of the matter, the respondent is directed to file affidavit enclosing the necessary documents in this aspect, in this regard. This up to 2 weeks. You file it.
Yes, Lordship.
Otherwise,
The next day.
if it is shown that, we'll see. Yes.
Yes, Lordship. We'll do that. Highly obliged.